Hey guys, welcome back. Okay, we'll just, for the guys that like to hit the short irons, you never see JH hitting the short irons because I don't think I have to. They're pretty easy to hit, I find. Little short shaft, all that lot, guys, how can you miss it? Really. But say we're going to hit a little 45-yard shot to a flag here. I find that setting the ball up off the toe is amazing. A couple of shots I hit here yesterday, I was just, you know, I hit the flag about 5 or 6 times out of about, 35 balls. And the other ones were just right round it. It's almost like, it's just laser setup. Here we are, the fist grip. Just a little picture. And I was talking to a couple of guys last night and they asked me, I said, well, how do you incorporate this into the short game? Well, this is how you do it. Lots of toe, lots of fist. I mean, it doesn't get any crisper than that. And it's amazing how, amazing how dead centered it is. The natural stretch of the arms is allowed to happen. That's the thing I like. It's allowed to happen. We don't have to suppress anything. No suppression at all. Just let it happen. It doesn't get any easier than that, guys. I mean, if you could experience the feel of this, there's so much work on that ball. These old, crummy range balls, but they're just hitting the green and grabbing so hard on a little shot with the fist grip. See, that's just 2 little hops and a dead stop. So that's how you can incorporate into the short game. I just love the feel of it. It's amazing. It's a really weird feeling when you've got the club inside the ball, but it becomes automatic after a couple of shots. So it's gone in the hole, straight in the hole. And the other ones are only about 3 feet away. They went straight in, 2 hops, straight in the hole. Here's another one. Oh, just as the hitter had so much spin on it, just kicked to the right. Really surprising. I'd kicked to the right about 3 feet. Guys, you just can't miss. I mean, it is so straight. Okay, we'll go straight from that short shot to the big dog. It's exactly the same. Look, it's easy for me because I've always done this with the driver. I've always had the club inside the toe. I've always done it. So it's really easy for me. But I'll accentuate it more. I'll have the club way inside the ball and see what it does. But the fist grip and the big ratchet, guys. Watch the big ratchet. We've got about 45 k's into us here, guys, and that's just bored a hole in that wind. Look, it's so windy, it almost blew the microphone over. But like dead cold with the driver, just flushed it. And when I say flush, I mean flush. The more I have the club inside the ball, the flusher I hit it. Because I've got a natural, unabated letting of the arms extend themselves. I don't have to do anything. It was just, you couldn't hit a better shot than that if you stood here all day. And the fist grip feels great. Okay, big ratchet. It's nearly blowing me off my feet. as I came into the ball, there was a big gust. It almost blew me backwards. I had to balance against it. Ball still went dead straight. Dead straight. Big ratchet. The club is always presented to the ball dead square, guys, like that. Just don't feel like there's any of that in it. There clearly is, because a natural release will give you that. But it doesn't feel like it. Okay, big ratchet. The fist grip is starting to feel quite natural now. Amazing how much line of impact must be good, because the ball's really flat. And this driver's just a little bit under 8 degrees, so it's a pretty strong driver anyway. But it's a bit flatter than normal with this grip. See guys, I've always got this relationship. It helps me stay connected here. I've got a damaged right arm from thousands of, hundreds of thousands of martial arts repetitions and stuff, and I got the elbow dislocated a couple of times, so I can't straighten my right arm through the ball. You'll probably see me on occasion. My right arm tends to be a little bit like that. So this helps me dramatically. I feel it's actually getting a bit straighter through the ball. The thing that's amazing is the centeredness of the hit. The centeredness of the hit is amazing. Okay guys, we'll come back.